So let's say you have built an application and you may want to test the application to see if it works or not. Sometimes you can use real data, and sometimes you may just want to generate some random data to test your application. One of the useful libraries to use is called Faker. You can use Faker to generate different kinds of data. And in this video, I'm just going to show how you can use Faker to generate some data set to test your app. First, you can call Faker from Faker. And then the next thing to do is to just create an instance called fake. And then with the instance, we can just write a print command with an string and say, from Faker, just call any random name. We can also call a random address from Faker, and then an email address or even a phone number. So let's print. So now you see that the library was able to call a fake name, a fake address, a fake email, and a fake phone number. This is quite very useful, that sometimes you may want to just test your app, but you may not have a real data to do it. Remember to always install the library if you don't have it yet.